to over 100,000 girls, and even a few guys auditioned to become the remote control hostess. But we never took advantage of any of them on a social level.
I think between Colin and I, we dated just about everyone who auditioned. I can see it myself.
When the remote control space shuttle took off, I thought, what strange worlds and people lie ahead of us. It was as exciting as the Stones' farewell tour of 2010 when Keith played most of his solos comatose via satellite.
I think of all the things we've been through. For me, it was the winning of the Nobel Peace Prize that gives me the most satisfaction. That, and my 51% controlling interest I own in the remote control enterprises.
My highest achievement, being elected to the President of the World Council of the United Nations. That and my 51% controlling interest in remote control enterprises.
Colin Quinn. Never liked him. I think he died several years ago.
Over? I'm suing his ass right now as we speak.
For these rules, this game showed was necessary to whoop and call play. And over.
Hi, Susan. I see. Hey, how you doing?
Nice shirt. What time's the barbecue start?
About 4, and you're not invited. All right, so to Alan in the turquoise chair. Is presently seeking a higher education at Syracuse University in the middle. Say hello to Howie. Howie from the Bronx, also seeking an education. And on the end is Glenn. Glenn, originally from Massachusetts, used to drive a fish truck with some rocks. Fish truck, rock, it rhymes. Fish truck with some rocks. Ow. Okay, pretty much the rules are very simple. I ask questions, you push a little doinger out, and you answer it, and maybe you win some prizes. We'll find out. Oh, Howie. Yes, Ken. Howie? Channel 4, please. So you know how we do this. Okay, Channel 4. Mary Tyler Moore, 5 points. What unpleasant monthly occurrence in Mary's life was Phyllis responsible for? Ooh. What? Unpleasant? Go ahead. A paycheck. No. Alan. PMS. PMS. No. No, rent payment. I can't move. Oil can. All right. Howie, go ahead. Let's stay away from that and go to Channel 5. Channel 5. Inside Joe Piscopo. Remote control hypothetically takes the trip inside America's most muscle-bound and least funniest comedian, Joe Piscopo. Joe, if you're watching, okay. 5 points. Always considerate and sensitive, Joe drives his 19-year-old girlfriend to her Lamaze classes and picks her up afterwards. Get it? Because you're supposed to go with them. What's Joe's gal pal? That's Glenn. Fracturing childbirth. Right, learning to do. 5 points. All right. Glenn. We have channel number 9, Ken. Okay, Glenn. Private dick. They see through windows and under doors. Get up. Go to salt. Keep your toucan in your pants. Here we go. Private dick, 5 points. Toucan queen. Lonely guy, Charles Manson, or loony guy. Well, I guess he's lonely too. Lonely guy. Loony guy. Charles Manson claims that a certain TV show is really all about him and that he is the Charlie who sent his girls out on throwing Mrs. Howie. Charlie's Angel. Yes. Yeah. 5 points. Yes, Charlie Manson actually believes he should get residuals for that show. Go ahead, Howie. Let's stick with Channel 9. Charles in charge. Yeah. Staying with Channel 9. Private Dicks again, 10 points. Let's say you're suddenly zapped into a Mickey Splain novel. You're in a greasy spoon and you're having a cup of joe and a stinker. What exactly are you having, Alan?
You're having coffee and donuts.
Yes, 10 points. All right, Alan.
I'd like to go over to Channel 3, please.
Okay. Colin? Billy Hillbilly's 5 points. Who generally drove that stupid family truck on the show? That's Alan. Glenn, excuse me. Jed, no. Howie.
Grandfather.
No. Alan.
Jethro.
5 points. Okay, go ahead, Alan.
Let's move away from you.
Excuse me, that's my mother, if you're listening. Yes, Mom.
Can you get Sergeant Rock to sing me some Buddy Holly?
Oh, you mean Colin? Yes, sir. Sing along with Colin time. 10 points. Sing the next line of this Buddy Holly favorite.
Well, little things you say and do make me want to be with you. Where's on the street, I know it's got to be real when you say I love you.
Oh, Peggy Sue, I love you too. Right. Easy, buddy, easy. No. Howie. Peggy Sue. No. Alan. No, Rave On. A different song. A classic. Hey, take it off. Here we go. 15 points. It's Bon Jovi time again. And finish this Bon Jovi song. Here we go.
What you said, always what you see. What a satisfaction is guaranteed. They say what you give is always what you need. So if you want to, lay your hands on me. Lay your hands on me. Lay your hands on me.
Finish it, Alan.
Lay your hands on me.
50 points. All right, Alan has 30 points. And that is the end of our first round. Howard's got 5. And Glenn is 5. Quite a round. While you guys munch away on some peanuts, we'll show you why you're playing the game to begin with.
Johnny Pong, the new kind of ping pong that keeps everyone on their toes with fast four-way competition. Easy to learn and master and sure to bring hours of enjoyment.
It's a collection of CDs from Ryko Discs, including David Bowie's Sound and Vision collection.
Art Deco-inspired Marilyn outperforms them all. The dual speakers deliver great sound in AM or FM. The neon can glow steadily or pulsate with the music. In any room, Marilyn turns in a star performance every time. By Christina.
Franklin's Language Master is a complete dictionary, a complete thesaurus, and completely revolutionary. The world's first electronic dictionary defines 83,000 words by Merriam-Webster.
Well, remote control continues.
What's so funny?
I'm big. What's so funny? Welcome to the show.
What is so funny? All right. What a game. Alan's got 30 points. Howie's 5. Glenn 5. All right, what a game. Maybe I was exaggerating. All right. Go ahead, Alan.
Channel 810.
Okay. Channel 8. Hey. The Visit from Keith, the legendary rocker who just said, sure, just about everything. And let's tell about it. Keith. Hey, what's up, baby? Charlie Watts, ladies and gentlemen, greatest host of a show on television right there, Charlie Watts, eh? Round of applause, eh? What's up, baby? You know, I was backstage at the hotel the other night. I was puking. And I was thinking to myself, you know who I ate? George Michael, you know? I was at a gig the other night, and he comes walking up to me. He's like a girl, you know, he's got a dress on. He's trying to kiss me. He's going, Keith, you know, give me the tongue, you know? Or maybe that was Madonna. I don't remember, but George Michael's last album was Piece of Kite. What was the name of that album, you know? What was that album, Howie? Fate. Yeah, 24. Yeah! All right, Howie, what would you like to do? Let's stick here, Charlie. See? These guys look like about 16 years old, these three guys here. You don't know nothing about rock and roll, big nose. So. All right, go ahead. Name 2 members of The Who. Go ahead. Name 2 members of The Who. That's Glenn. Roger Daltrey and Pete Townsend. Yeah, 30 points. All right. right. I got me Elvis back at the hotel. I'll see you later on, man. Take it easy. All right, Glenn. 35, 25, and 30.
That's Channel 2, Ken, please.
Channel 2, Shirley. No Witness News. Hey, listen up. 20. What did you do? Oh. Well, we'll get somebody to clean it up later, I suppose. 20 points. Which of these headlines actually appeared in the Weekly World News on August 1st, 1989? Was it number 1, man who had sex change gives birth to 7-pound baby? Well, how about 2, Stallone's new gal pal was a test tube baby? Or 3, grandma hurls rock at fleeing UFO, which is an actual headline. Alan.
Number 1.
Number 1, right. Man who had sex change gives birth to a 7-pound.
All right, Ken, I'm going to try Channel 7, please.
All right, Channel 7. That's time for our Celebrity Square. Of course, we can't afford all of them, so we only have one. But get it right, up, down, and diagonally, straight across, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. And here's our not-so-secret square. Rose, she said for legal reasons, marry me.
Hi, Peter.
Hey, Ro, how's it shaking?
Hey, no, Peter, I went out with the famous scientist
Never
Charles Sagan the other night, and he said I looked just like a UFO.
Unidentified flying object?
No, ugly, fat, and old.
Well, you know he's a Mormon, and he never lies. Anyway, well, your question today has to do with flying, actually. What is a flying butt trick?
Sounds like what happens when I unsnap my girdle. Anyway, seriously, no, stop. Oh, stop. Seriously, it's a piece of architecture.
It's a piece of architecture. Agree or disagree?
I disagree.
Incorrect.
Agree.
Yes, 20 points. Yeah, pretty easy, huh, Alan?
Yeah, you know.
Had to say...
That's churchish education, though. You know.
Pays off.
Channel 6, please.
Showing your big orange. Okay. Moving to Channel 6. Video High. Here we go, 10 points. She's the daughter of a famous burn victim comedian. And she's on that pointless... Glenn.
Rain Pryor.
Yes! Pointless head of the class show. Very good. Go ahead, Glenn.
I'll stick with Channel 6, please, Ken.
Okay, Channel 6 Video High, 20 points this time. The Square Pegs nerds, Lauren and Patty, were in what grade at We Wanna Me High? Glenn.
They're freshmen, Ken.
Yes, freshman, 9th grade. 20 points. Alan is 70, Glenn 65, Howie 25. Go ahead.
Hey, can I close out Video High, please, Ken?
Well, so here we go, 30 points. Ken Howard became the white shadow in which L.A. high school?
Carver High.
Alan, yes, very good. Carver High, 30 points. Excuse me. Oh, you're playing a little game of checkers. I've had it with you, Quinn. Okay, Alan, go ahead.
Channel 1, please, Ken.
Okay, Channel 1, Mars TV. 10 points. Name the psychedelic TV band who hired Jimi Hendrix to open for them on tour. Glenn.
The Monkees.
Yes, that's right. Very good. 75 points. Go ahead, Glenn.
Stick with Channel 1, please, Ken.
Very funny. Okay, Mod TV. What am I going to do with it now? Okay, Mod TV, 20 points. On the courtship of Eddie's father, what was the Corbett's lovable housekeeper's name? Glenn. Hazel? No. Rosie? Alan, no. Howie? No, nobody knows. Mrs. Livingston. Go ahead, Glenn.
Let's close out Mod TV, Ken.
Okay, this time it's 30 points. In real life, the Mod Squad's resident babe, Peggy Lipton, ending up marrying the guy who produced Michael Jackson's Thriller album. Name him, Glenn.
Quincy Jones.
Yes, 30 points. Glenn is in the lead now. Colin, flipping you the bird. Oh! I guess you know what that means. We owe ASCAP some money for using a cut off of Pink Floyd album. Here we go. 10 points, 20 seconds worth. Time to play Colonel Hogan, Paul Hogan, or Hulk Hogan. I'll name something. You tell me if it's Colonel Hogan, Paul Hogan, or Hulk Hogan. 20 seconds. Let me have a clock. Lived in Stalag 13.
Colonel Hogan.
Yes. Boss Linda Kozlowski.
Paul Hogan.
Yes. Wears little yellow tights. That's Howie.
Hulk Hogan.
Yes. Lives in Australia. Howie.
Paul Hogan.
Yes. Has 24-inch biceps.
Hulk
Alan.
Hogan.
Yes. Does Foster's commercials.
Paul Hogan.
Yes. Oh, that's all we have time for. Oh, we have time for one more thing. To say goodbye to Howie. Bye, Howie. 125. Alan has 110. Now you guys get to wager as much or as little of your total points as you deem necessary. While you guys are figuring out how much you want to wager, we're going to show you some of the stuff you're going to try and take home with you.
TV Audio's home music center delivers a programmable CD player, dual cassette deck, 2 semi-automatic turntable, and AM/FM tuner with graphics equalizer.
Full-featured and easy to use. 15-inch VCR features on-screen programming, 4-head double azimuth video circuitry with 5-speed clear slow motion, and a remote that controls both the VCR and TV.
When it gets cold, you'll be hot on your new look freestyle snowboard. It's the latest rage to hit the sports scene, and you're there.
Head Start Plus, an IBM-compatible computer. Great for the novice or computer wise. Comes with software and lots more. Head Start Plus, built to be compatible with you.
Okay, we know how much you're betting. Here's your question. Laverne and Shirley have a contest at work to see who can tap the most beer bottles in 1 hour. Laverne finishes 395 bottles, while Shirley taps 67 six-packs. Name the brewery and tell me who won the contest. You need to read it again. It's up here. While you guys figure, we're going to see if Keith can name all the members in the Rolling Stones within that 20 seconds. Keith, right now? Yeah. Mick Jagger, right. Me, right. Babe Ruth, no. Wait. Colin Quinn, no. Ken Howard, no. Brady Bunch, no. Bill Lowry, what? Charlie Watts, right? Bill, you got 3 of them, not bad. Okay, put your pens down. We'll start with Alan. Alan, what was your answer?
I answered Scott and Shirley.
Scott and Shirley is right. How much did you wager?
I got 109 points there, Ken.
Which gives you 219. Oh, Glenn, what was your answer?
I had Shark Brewery and Shirley, Ken.
Okay, and you wagered
100 points.
100 points, which gives you... Good game, fellas. Alan, you, however, are through. We have, of course, the obligatory party gift. Glenn, you are headed towards a medal wheel. Glenn, you're strapped on a large metal device used in the 18th century to persuade French revolutionary soldiers to give up information. Have you been on one of these?
Yeah, I still kind of like I'm in a Turkish prison.
Do you really? Well, oh, how interesting. Meet my friend Brad Davis. Anyway, you've got 9 screens, 9 videos. Get all 9 right. You're going somewhere.
A ski vacation at Steamboat Springs, Colorado. You'll stay at the extraordinary Harbor Hotel with old English pub atmosphere. Ski day and night with rentals by Terry Sports and free transportation to the slopes by Alpine Taxi.
All right. You ski?
Yeah.
Good. Myself and my accompaniment, the Goat Boy of Mykonos. Goat Boy, you ready to spin?
Yeah, you go, Kelly Jeffy.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. Okay. Best of luck, Glenn. On your mark. Get set. Go! Toss! 1 right. Mark! 2 right. George Michael! 3 right. Clapton! Eric Clapton! Yes, 4. Madonna! 5 right. Pet Shop Boys! 6 right. Tap! Pass of 7. Cool Boys! 8 right. Tap! Pass of 9 back to 7. Rick the Mark! 7 right. Back to 9. I have no idea. Here, Easton. Go.
Show me some. How much time left?
Just keep looking.
Sinead O'Connor.
No.
Look at you.
You did it. Oh, man. Yeah. You win the Colorado ski trip, a computer, a snowboard, a VCR, a stereo. Language Master, I don't know what they speak in Colorado, but you'll be up on it. Neon Radio, CD, and Johnny Pong. Congratulations, Glenn. Nice game. That's remote control.
All contestants receive. Get off on the right foot. Get off and be praised for the newest and hottest in athletic footwear is British Knights. Wherever you go, whatever you do, British Knights are the right move for you. Take control of your life with Zenith's multi-brand remote control. It operates most brands of TVs, VCRs, and cable converters from the company that invented the remote control, Zenith. Pleasing contestants to choose. Paul Mitchell's professional hair care collection to keep your hair looking its absolute best. From lip shampoos and conditioners to super sculpting gels, lotions, and sprays. From Paul Mitchell. Promotional consideration provided by the Wrapped Candy Boys that everybody enjoys. They're sweet and groovy, they're fruit and chewy, crunchy outside, juicy inside. So get the beat, because Wrapped Candy is hip to eat.
Feud, weekday mornings at 10 on TV8.
From Hollywood, the television cap.